Hi, Mom and Dad. It's me, Christine. It's the name you gave me. It's a good one. I wish I could live through something.
Aren't you?
Nope. I think it's kind of scary, but I also love it. I wish that you liked me.
Of course I love you.
But do you like me? She's not crazy. She just, she has a big heart. She's very warm. Why are you crying?
Just crying. Some people aren't built happy, you know. I want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version? I guess I pay attention.
Don't you think maybe they are the same thing?
Mom, did you feel emotional the first time that you drove in Sacramento? I did, and I wanted to tell you, but we weren't really talking when it happened. All those Bens I've known my whole life, and stores, and the whole thing. To tell you, I love you.